Smartwatches. What does it do? It does measure your heart rate, then estimate your physical activities. So I am measuring my brain waves. With brain waves, we could map your cognitive states and emotional states. Maybe how I am feeling for any given task. Am I very stressful when I am doing a task, or am I very happy doing a task? So we could help understand how the person is feeling for giving any context or any task.
Okay. Okay. Can you change your mood instantly so that I can get the signals how you are behaving?
See again, what neuroscience tells is each band is associated with different thinking activities. So alpha is dominant when you are relaxed. So I'll just show you. Alpha will go up, all this will reduce. I'll just show, meaning that's the relaxed state. So I'll just relax right now. Alpha should go up.
Yeah.
Yeah. Right.
So beta and gamma.
So beta is when I'm focusing. Beta is when I'm focusing too much. Yeah, beta is coming. Beta and theta is coming up. The thing is like this is the basic information what we can do. But again, that's not the only thing. You cannot tell you are relaxed only because you are alpha. See again, there are different parameters you have to look into. That's when machine learning will come to properly know your cognitive state.
Okay, like this is kind of every time I'm monitoring my brain itself. I'm not focusing to any work. Let's say I'm in the work, so I don't know. I have to get the data to me, like my brain. I need to get the data to how my brain is functioning. Every time I need to see your monitor and doing work. Seeing your monitor and doing work. This is where the disadvantage is.
That's why what we do is like instead of doing that, we can optimize the room environment based on the metrics what we get. Where I'm using this head, I'll tell you. See my focus, if it goes above, I can set a threshold for, yeah. See, I'm just showing a focus. If my focus goes up, it should go green, entire room light. If it drops, it will go red. See, it's just inherent telling information, okay, something is happening instead of looking at an app.
So it will just inform intimators through.
Yeah, it's called BCI, controlling something. So it's kind of information, looking at an app. Don't open an app, get distracted. So, okay, it's kind of like feeling, okay, something is happening. Realization will happen.
Nice. Okay.
No, when I'm training my brain, does it informs us?
Yes. So again, we have that layer for productivity. So the thing is like what we have to understand is like what's our cognitive load. See again, these are two activities where I'm.
So it has to be like that study has to be done earlier. I mean, the pattern has to be observed.
Yeah, meaning our baseline, meaning how we are at, and do we have cognitive load? See, we have too much cognitive load, we cannot work. See, if we have a cognitive load, then we can put cognitive demanding task over there. So understand how we are feeling right now, then give the task based upon these things. Because whatever we are feeling right now, it's not based on only on us. It could be external influences what we are doing. It could be many things. So we're just trying to understand: am I ready? Then I'll do this.
So it will be like helpful in optimizing the productivity.
Right. This is what we're doing. Not just optimization. Pick up the right tools.
Okay.
First we do a baseline, then we do meditation. These things. Then we use tools. Then we see how it's affecting our work.
Okay.
Then the loop will keep on changing, and ML will keep on learning on it.
So over time we can study our pattern and then.
Right. Again, it could help you pick up good habits. Meaning, you know your baseline, right? You do multiple activities, and you have that actually. I'll just show you.
Do we need to wear this belt every time?
So again, we can wear it, but again, you don't have to wear it to see how you are doing it. See again, we can prep you before a task. See again, for pilots, what they do is they prep. Okay, easy, ready for it. We can send him.
And this is like kind of 1 hour, 2 hours. How it will be? Preparation.
Okay, preparation means like you could fix your mind like 5 minutes. See, if you look at any top athletes, right, they have their own mind fantasies where they'll do. See, they understand it. If you're able to objectively measure and give it to general people, they can use it for everyday life, not just athlete. It could be like they can finish the work in 3 hours instead of putting 4 hours.
4 hours.
Because they will be procrastinating. See, even procrastinating is body's way of protecting ourselves, right?
Or else they can even judge on like how much minimum effort I need to put for
Right.
getting done a job.
Right.
Rather than putting too much of effort.
That's what I do.
Okay, let's say we are discussing here. You are also discussing. Let's say I'm also listening your voice, but I can use mobile phone. I'm get distracted. How your technology will show I'm get distracted. Let's say you are talking to me. Parallelly, you are doing phone thing. You are distracted. How this your technology will?
No, when we are measuring, see again, even if you're doing ECG, right, doctor will tell you to stay still. You cannot jump around. See again, if you get proper reading, stay still and measure it right now. See again, jumping that will come much later part. See, whatever we measure, we have to be still. See, again,
This was a charger or the battery?
battery is there.
The signals, Wi-Fi signals or
Bluetooth.
Bluetooth signals?
Doesn't matter Wi-Fi or Bluetooth.
You are sending signals to
Computer.
computer through BT.
Bluetooth.
How it will read the brain signal, that device, how it
Neuro
will read
system, right?
You're from which background?
AC.
AC. ADC. This is analog current.
Okay.
We amplify, we use ADC, digitize it, then apply DSP filters, then we'll get it.
Signals.
Yeah.
So that minute micro signals also it will capture.
Yes. So we have this tool where it can capture micro. See, it's in what? It's not even more than 200 microvolts. It's very minute. You can go and see it.
A small doubt, it's directly capturing the wave pattern from our brain, or else it's like inducing any wave.
No, it's capturing my wave directly. So right now it's kind of like brain is producing voltage. From there,
Like for example, in MRI, they will do some. They will send some RF pulse and then.
no, we
capture
are not
it.
doing that. We're just
No, sir.
measuring. See,
Yeah.
just one way electricity, just like ECG.
Just like
ECG and
ECG,
EEG. See, ECG is electrocardiogram, EEG is electrons. Both are like brothers and sisters. It's just about we are measuring electricity from that component.
Okay.
Yeah, see, there are different modalities to measure. It's magnetic is there. There is again there's FNIS to measure the blood flow. But again, this is accepted by doctors, and again, it's cheap where people can afford. If you make CT and people would not be able to afford.
And does it need to like weighed in any specific area of brain, in the head, because it has to capture.
See, again, it all depends. Right now, we have built something where you just have to focus, look at one component, and it's mind control. If I'm looking at TV, TV can be turned on. Here, what I'm doing is like I'm trying to understand my visual. See, that will come in my occipital region. See, depending on the application, we have to configure where we are collecting from. Since I'm doing meditation, these four are enough for me. If I'm doing, suppose I'm doing in a wheelchair, this is done by motor cortex area for rehabilitation. Stroke people are doing. Here I have to capture from motor cortex area, where I'm imagining to move my car. See, again, everything will depend on application, what end use we are doing.
Okay.
Right.